Okay, Garmin, save video. Don't tell me I'm stuck here, bro. I don't know how they stay in business. Should I try to assist?
If you want.
All the wreckers here. You got 45,000 pounds of Gatorade sitting on the tire. Tires on driver's side are off the ground on the drives. All four drives are off the ground. I just went down there to see how bad it was. This guy tells me he's been driving for 1 month. He had 1 week of training, and he's been a danger to society for the other 3 weeks. That sign right there says, no 102 trailers over 45 feet. That is a 53 102. He cannot come down this road. I can't fit there. Straightened out. Screwing the whole thing over. Driver got her set up pretty quick though. It's pretty cool. He's got the controls right there in his head.
Oh, that's what he's doing?
Oh yeah, those are the.
Oh, that's sick.
It's all like playing video games. He's all got levers right there on the side.
That's pretty neat. Fucked up the road.
Oh yeah, those dug. The landing gear is dug right into the road. Yeah, if he was over a little bit more, those trailer tires would have hit the ditch. He could have rolled it. The landing gear kind of saved him.
Yeah, but if he went another second,
because the whole back side of this side of the truck is off the ground. I wonder if he's going to rehook it. Done.
That's neat though. I want controls on them.
Right?
I didn't realize that.
$500,000 for a truck he's getting. No truck driver gonna tell him how to do it. He should have just did it. Oh no, he's gonna have him control it, and he's gonna do the steering wheel. Quick! Fucking idiot! Hey! You should have tased him so he learns. You too, buddy. Okay, Garmin. Save video. Okay, Western, you owe me detention. My minimum's $100 an hour, minimum 2 hours, so you owe me $200 for sitting there for an hour waiting for your untrained drivers. Do better.